Why are high baseball RBI totals sometimes misleading? Imagine watching a game and seeing a player with a huge number of runs batted in. It might seem like they are the best hitter, but is that really the full story? Not always. High RBI totals can sometimes give a false impression of a player's true skill. Let's see why that happens. First, a player's position in the batting order makes a big difference. Batters who hit third, fourth, or fifth usually have more chances to drive in runs because teammates are on base ahead of them. If a player is in the cleanup spot, they might rack up a lot of RBIs just because they come up with runners already on base. That doesn't mean they are necessarily better at hitting than someone lower in the order. Next, the team's overall strength plays a role. If a team scores a lot of runs, every player in the lineup gets more opportunities to drive in runs. So a player on a high-scoring team might have more RBIs than a similar player on a weaker team, even if their hitting skills are similar. Then there are situational factors. Clutch hitting, or performing well in critical moments, can boost RBI totals. A player who often comes through in tight spots might have more RBIs than someone who hits well but in less important situations. It's also helpful to look beyond RBIs. Advanced stats like weighted runs created or runs created give a broader view of a player's offensive value. These metrics consider how often a player gets on base, hits for power, and contributes to scoring, not just RBIs. When we evaluate players, it's smart to combine traditional stats like RBIs with these newer metrics. That way, we get a clearer picture of their overall contribution. Historically, high RBI totals have influenced Hall of Fame decisions, but it's important to remember the context. A player's era, ballpark, and team quality all shape their numbers. So, relying only on RBIs can be misleading. They don't tell the whole story of a player's talent or value. To truly understand a player's ability, consider both their traditional batting stats and advanced metrics. This balanced approach helps us see who really makes a difference on the field, past and present.